All right, welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into something that I think you're really going to find interesting, especially if you're into AI and programming.
Yeah, this was pretty cool. We both saw it on AI Agent Store, and we just knew we had to check it out.
Definitely. We've talked about AI Agent Store before. It's like our go-to spot for finding these cutting-edge AI tools.
Absolutely. There's some really innovative stuff on there.
Okay, so get this. Imagine you're coding away, right?
Mm-hmm.
And right there with you is this AI assistant, like literally writing code alongside you.
Whoa, like it's actually coding with you.
Yeah, like a partner.
Yeah.
But a partner who never gets tired of your bad jokes and never judges your terrible variable names. I mean, I wish I had a coding buddy that patient.
Haha, that's a good one. So what is this magical AI coding buddy called?
This is Replit agents.
Replit Agent. Okay, so is this something you have to install separately or?
That's the cool part. It's built right into the Replit platform.
So it's like having this AI just hanging out in your Replit environment? That's pretty slick.
Totally. So instead of grabbing another cup of coffee, this AI buddy is writing code with you. But what can it actually do?
It's like the ultimate coding multi-tool, right? You can literally use plain English to tell Replit Agent what you want to build.
Wait, really? Like just plain English?
Yep, so you could say something like, hey, Replit Agent, build me a website that shows the latest news headlines. And it'll go and do it. It sets up everything, fetches data, and even deploys the website for you.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Like no actual coding required on my part.
Well, you can always get into the code if you want to tweak things, but the basic structure, a lot of the heavy lifting, Replit Agent takes care of that.
So this is obviously amazing for experienced developers. I mean, talk about a productivity boost. But who else could benefit from something like this?
You know what's exciting? It's the potential to open up coding to a whole new audience.
Okay, yeah. Like who?
Students, for example, imagine learning to code by actually having a conversation with an AI.
That would make things a lot less intimidating, right? Instead of wrestling with all that syntax and stuff.
Exactly. And for educators, this could be a game changer. It's a tool that can help explain concepts, generate code examples on the fly, and really make learning interactive.
They even have a video, right? Something like how to use Replit Agent for beginners.
Yes, it's a great starting point. They walk you through the basics and show you some really cool stuff you can do right away.
That's awesome. So let's say I'm a beginner. I watched the video. What are some things I could try out?
Oh, there's so much. You could ask Replit Agent to generate code snippets for things you're learning, like loops or functions, or even just have it explain a concept in simpler terms.
Okay, cool. That makes sense. Now, I know a lot of programmers work with different languages and frameworks. Can Replit Agent handle that?
Absolutely. That's one of its strengths. It supports a whole bunch of languages. JavaScript, Python, R, you name it, Replit Agent can probably work with it.
All right, so they got the languages covered. Now, what about collaboration? Can teams use this thing together?
Oh, for sure. Replit is already built for collaboration, and Replit Agent makes it even better. It's like having this AI teammate that's helping everyone stay in sync and work together more efficiently.
So it's not just about speeding up individual coding. It's about making teams more effective.
Precisely. And I think that's where things get really interesting. Like, how will tools like this change the way we approach software development as a whole?
You know, it's funny. Part of me is a little intimidated, maybe, by an AI that can code this well.
I get that. It's a natural reaction.
It's like, is this thing going to take my job?
I think it's more helpful to think of it as a partner, you know? Replit Agent is there to help us, not replace us. It takes care of the tedious stuff, frees us up to focus on the creative parts of coding.
Okay, that's a good way to look at it.
And in the long run, I think AI assistants like this are going to make coding more accessible to everyone.
Yeah, and that could lead to some amazing innovations we can't even imagine yet.
Exactly. So here's something to ponder. If anyone can code, what will they create?
Whoa, yeah, that's a big question. Well, if you want to start exploring that question yourself, head over to AI Agent Store at aiagentstore.ai. It's a fantastic resource for staying on top of all the latest developments in the AI world. And until next time, keep on coding.